Alright, Apple Watch Ultra is here, and this is gonna be a quick unbox and also my first impressions about this new watch. Alright, so here the Apple Watch Ultra, and this box is really different from the other box that we usually get from Apple Watch. It's square, a little bit slim. So let's go ahead and open up. The material of this box, I can feel that it's a little bit different from the other boxes as well. Feel like more like a recycle. And as you open the box right here, you can see that actually invest on a different type of layout. They also have something inside here that I think is a booklet. Let's open up to see what it is. Definitely is a booklet about talking about different Apple Watches and also different bands. What also your Apple Watch can do is basically a guide. Basically, this is new. They never come up with this kind of booklet. The box right here for the band, I choose the orange band. I think this was a nice color and band that an initial like it. So let's go up and open up right here real quick. And it's basically a little bit different than the other band. The box looks different, and here we go, the band, how it looks like. It's a very bright orange, but very nice color. The titanium color that match your watch. That's very nice. Let me just take a look. Yeah, they're very good quality. If you purchase one of those by yourself, I believe it's $99 US dollars. The box is very slim like the other Apple Watches, but of course it's a different format box. So we're gonna open one side and let's go open the other side as well. They didn't put plastic around, so this is definitely the standard Apple unpacking for all the products. So let's go ahead and open up, and what it will come over here. It looks like it comes definitely, well, the watch is right here on your left, and this is the power cord. Remember, any product in USA does not come with a power brick. This right here is a USB-C. It looks really nice. The material of this cord is not the same material of the other cords. It's an embraided cord type, very sturdy, and definitely with a much better quality. That is pretty good. And now let's go ahead and unpack the watch. The watch definitely does not feel as heavy, but it's really much bigger than 07 or any other watch that you probably already know. There's very well packaged. It's a metal titanium kind of color. Any camera you can see this a little bit darker, but it's a little bit lighter when you see in person. This spot orange right here, it feels like it's changed the color when you turn. Something that I didn't notice on the Apple keynote, but it feels really nice. Only thing that I wish is if they have a darker color. I prefer much a darker color watch than lighter, but it's my option, my opinion, and my preference. It's very easy to put the band. There's nothing better. I think the Apple Watch is one of the best Apple Watches, smartwatch to actually change the bands. It's ceramic in the back as well. All this part in the back is ceramic. Very well done. They have a much better speaker. Overall, I think this Apple Watch is a really nice addition for the Apple Watch family, and I thought it was gonna be very big in my wrist, but I don't think that is that big if you have a medium-sized wrist. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.